Hi friends, this is the July Craft Club kit from Magnolia Design Co. that we're going to make today. It comes in this white box once a month, and it comes with everything you need to make the project. It comes with a surface. Today it is that tote bag, that big canvas tote bag, and directions and a squeegee and a little sample pack of either chalk paste or chalk ink, and today it's ink since it's getting put onto a textile that you want permanent. So I'm getting out my tote bag, and it was mostly flat, but I decided I wanted to iron it just a little bit to get a couple of those wrinkles out before I put on my silkscreen transfer. But the transfer is so cute. It says I'd rather be at the farmer's market, so it's a perfect tote bag to take to the farmer's market. If you have one near you, we do, and I haven't been for a while, but now I'm going to take my tote bag with me when I go. So now I'm getting it all flat and straight, and then I'm just peeling off the backing of this large transfer and centering it, getting it on there straight. And once I get it set where I want it, then I'm just going to press it on there. Just make sure it's sticking down all around that design, because you don't want it to be lifted up anywhere, or the ink may bleed underneath the design. So you just open up your ink, and this is a glittering black, I think it's called, but it's not a true dark black. It's more like a dark charcoal with a little bit of sheen in it, and I love it. So I'm just squeezing a little bit out, and afterwards I have enough for at least one or two more, couple more projects. And so then you just get your little squeegee and you press it on. You spread it on like you're buttering toast, more or less. And then you just kind of keep spreading it, making sure you get the entire design covered completely. And then you wipe off the excess and normally put it back into your bowl or into the jar of chalk paste or chalk ink. But since this is a sample pack, it's a little bit harder to put in the sample. But so then you just get the excess off. Make sure you don't have any on your fingers. And then you peel it up. And then I just set it on the side of my table real quick. And then off camera, I go and rinse it off real quick with cool water, lukewarm water. You want to take care of your silkscreen transfers and get them cleaned up as quickly as you can. You don't want that ink or the chalk paste to dry inside of that mesh design. So now I'm just making sure I get my hands clean. I don't want to touch my project and smudge some ink on there. That would not be good. So now that we've got it on there and it's beautiful, I'm just giving it a quick dry, and then I'm going to hang it and let it dry. And it says to let it dry 24 hours, but I'm going to be honest with you, I didn't let it dry that long. It was just a few hours I let it dry. On my shirt, I probably would have if I would have put on a shirt. But since it's my tote bag, I thought a few hours was plenty. So then you just put parchment paper over the top and you iron it for 1 to 2 minutes. And you want to get both sides actually, especially if it's a shirt or something like that. But where it's just my tote bag, I just ironed it really, really well on the front. And that heat sets it, makes that ink permanent. You can wash it and dry it, and you are good to go. And it's so beautiful. It turned out so nice, and I'm going to, you can use these transfers over and over on different surfaces, shirts, wood, plastic, lots of things. So I hope this inspires you to make something similar, and you have a whimsical day.